In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer offers a range of features aimed at enhancing user experience and print quality. With a substantial 90% pre-assembly, users can swiftly set up the printer and get started with their projects. Its impressive maximum build size of 11.8 inch *11.8 15.7 accommodates large-scale prints. A standout feature of the LK5 Pro is its stable triangular structure, reinforced by an inclined rod design. This structure minimizes vibration, leading to more stable printing outcomes. Furthermore, the printer boasts a resume printing function, enabling it to pick up from the last recorded extruder position in the event of a power outage or material depletion. A sensor alerts users when supplies are running low, facilitating timely replenishment and reducing waste. The inclusion of an upgraded dual blower kit enhances print quality by rapidly cooling and shaping extruded filaments. Additionally, the printer operates quietly, thanks to the implementation of TMC 2208 chip drivers on the X, Y, and Z axes. This reduction in noise contributes to a more pleasant printing environment and enhances stepper motor stability. Number 2. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer stands out in the market with its user-friendly features designed to streamline the printing process. One notable feature is its quick-change nozzle, a rarity among 3D printers. While others often require tools and significant time for nozzle replacement, the Voxel's innovative design allows users to swap nozzles in seconds without any tools, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Another advantage is its heated, flexible, and removable build plate. This feature simplifies model removal by allowing users to easily flex and remove the build plate, facilitating a smooth workflow. The build plate can be heated to temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius, providing versatility for different printing materials and ensuring adhesion during printing. Furthermore, the Voxel comes equipped with auto-leveling functionality, eliminating the need for manual calibration. The printer ships fully calibrated and ready to use out of the box, and users can easily adjust the distance between the nozzle and the bed via the touchscreen interface if necessary, ensuring optimal printing results. In terms of compatibility, the Voxel supports various operating systems, including Windows XP/Vista/7/8/10, Mac OS X, and Linux, catering to a wide range of users. Number 3. QIDI X12 3D Printer. The QIDI X12 3D printer is an ideal choice for families and schools seeking a reliable and user-friendly 3D printing solution. Designed with simplicity in mind, it offers straightforward operation right out of the box, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. One standout feature is QIDI Technology's single extruder design, which significantly reduces the risk of extruder clogs, ensuring smoother printing processes and minimizing downtime for maintenance. This makes it particularly suitable for environments like schools where uninterrupted operation is essential. Constructed with a durable metal frame and equipped with a heated bed, the QIDI X12 supports printing with a variety of filaments including ABS, PLA, and TPU. This versatility enables users to explore a wide range of creative possibilities, from prototyping to educational projects. The printer also features a 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen interface with intuitive icons, making navigation and operation a breeze. This user-friendly interface enhances the overall experience, especially for families and educational settings where ease of use is paramount. Number 4. Longer LK4 3D Printer. The Longer LK4 3D printer presents itself as a user-friendly and efficient option for both beginners and experienced users. With a focus on simplifying the assembly process, the LK4 arrives 90% pre-assembled, significantly reducing the time required for setup. Key components such as the cantilever, gantry, and nozzle are already assembled in the factory, saving users up to 50% of the typical assembly time while ensuring better printing quality. One of the standout features of the LK4 is its 2.8-inch full-color touchscreen, which provides an intuitive interface for operation. Users can easily preview models and monitor the printing process directly on the screen, eliminating the need for traditional manual knob screens and streamlining the printing experience. Additionally, the printer supports offline printing, offering greater flexibility in usage. Constructed with a new aluminum frame, the LK4 boasts improved durability and printing quality, along with a stylish exterior design. The inclusion of resume printing functionality ensures that users can easily continue printing tasks in the event of a power outage, while a filament runout detection system automatically pauses printing when filament depletion is detected. Number 5. Comgrow Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. The Comgrow Creality Ender 3S1 Pro, introduced in 2024 as a new version, boasts several enhancements designed to elevate the user's 3D printing experience. One standout feature is its impressive printing speed, reaching up to 200 mm per second, which is 4 times faster than typical 3D printers. This accelerated speed enables users to obtain high-quality models in significantly shorter durations, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Another notable upgrade is the Sprite all-metal direct drive extruder, which incorporates a robust pushing force of up to 80 N. This enhancement ensures smooth filament feeding and discharge, minimizing the risk of slippage. Additionally, the extruder excels in handling flexible filaments like TPU, further expanding the range of materials users can work with. The inclusion of the CR Touch auto-level sensor simplifies the calibration process by swiftly adjusting the nozzle's printing height on the hotbed. With its 16 points auto-leveling program, the CR Touch offers more precise bed leveling compared to traditional systems, such as the 9 points BL Touch. This precision contributes to improved print quality and consistency.